Okay, this time let's create an octopus. This is my final part of this course, an octopus. I'm sure you're gonna love this. Okay, so let's inflate 4 balloons here. Like this. 4 balloons like this. Okay. Now, you need to put all the ends together. Tie them up. Put it together like this. Okay, so just repeat the same process here. Okay, and twist this part. Okay, put it together like this. Twist the area like this. But before you twist that, make sure that they are even. Just like that. Okay? They are even. It should be even, huh? Now, twist this here. And also here. Twist this. Okay, so we're kinda close here. We're almost done. Twist this part. And instantly, we have an octopus. Okay. But we are running out of legs here. We need to add more legs for our octopus. Because as far as I know, the legs of our octopus should be 8. Okay, so we have 4 here. And let's add 1 more here. Okay. So let's fold this 2 balloons here halfway. Just like this. Okay, so now let me put this extra legs for our octopus. Okay. Let me put this one more time here. And lastly, let's put this here on the other side. Okay? And I think this is the last. Okay, let's put this here. And I think that's it. We're done on our octopus. Now, this figure, you may use this figure and you may put this octopus on your head, on a head of your child maybe. Just all you need to do is you need to put this here, or possibly this one. Okay, so this is the basic octopus. Hope you like this. So hope you like these basic figures that we created in this course just for you. Hope you like it, and see you on my other courses. We have lots of balloon figures from volume 1 up to 6. Hope you enroll on those courses that I created, and I'm sure you're gonna love those courses. And those courses is purely built for balloon artists just like you, balloon enthusiasts just like you, balloon professionals just like you. I'm hoping to see you there. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.